Hi everyone, in today's video we will cover crypto telegram bots. We will see what they are, why we need them, and how to use them. Let's get started. Crypto telegram bots are automated softwares that can be programmed to carry out specific tasks. They can be used to provide real-time alerts on market movements and trading opportunities directly in your chats. They can execute trades instantly without having to leave the app, and it can streamline your decision-making process that way. And also, they can be used to access market data and insights effortlessly, enabling you to make informed decisions without extensive research. Okay, now we'll see why we use crypto telegram bots. Okay, reason number one is convenience. They can be accessible within the chat app, and trading could mean as simple as pasting the contract address. Reason number two is speed. Bots execute orders faster than the manual swaps, and there are times where speed really matters to take trades. Especially when it comes to sniping newly launched meme coins, speed is everything, because if you are a few seconds late, it could mean you'll get front run and end up paying more for less. And that's when Telegram bots come into play, giving us the advantage to get in early. And another thing that I want you to know is that there are numerous types of Telegram bots that can be used in numerous types of chains. But in today's video, I will show you how to use BonkBot. It is a bot that's mainly used to trade meme coins on the Solana network. So once you have your Telegram ready, head over to the description and click the official link to the BonkBot website. Or alternatively, you can go to your browser and type in bonkbot.io, and it should take you to this page. And once you're here, just click Start Trading. Okay, we'll give it permission to access our Telegram. Okay, so now we are in the Telegram app. If you are using a mobile phone, the user interface is almost the same as the desktop, so it should be fine. And here at the bottom, just tap Start. All right, okay. So now BonkBot has generated a wallet for us. As you can see, here is our Solana wallet address. And I'll show you a few things here. Okay, right here, it says where it says wallet, just tap it. Okay, now we are inside our wallet. Here's our wallet address and our balance. As you can see, we have nothing in our wallet, it's just zero. So we'll go ahead and deposit some SOL. So you can either click deposit or click on the wallet address and it will copy it for you. I'm gonna go ahead and deposit some SOL. Okay, now let's check if the Solana has arrived. All you have to do is click refresh here. Good, you see the balance is 1 Solana now. All right, now I'll show you a few things here. And if you want to withdraw, you have two options here. First option is to withdraw all your Solana, and the second one is if you want to enter on a specific amount. Okay, so we'll go with the second option. So you'll just hit the withdraw XSOL, and it will prompt you to enter an amount. Let's just put 0.2 SOL and hit enter again, and it will prompt you to enter your destination address. So I'm just going to paste in the wallet address that I want to send to and hit send. Okay, now it's initiating withdrawal. Okay, as you can see, transaction has been confirmed, and it has given me the transaction ID, which I can just click and check on the blockchain if I want to. Okay. And the other thing that I want to show you is sometimes when you want to buy tokens and you paste the address here, you may not find it. In those situations, BonkBot has around 4 bots that you can choose from. So all you need to do is just / and bots and send. Okay, now, it's actually more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have about 6 bots, so we can see if we can find a coin in any one of these bots. My Personal preference is McQueen, so I'll just click on it. Okay, good. Now we'll just start it. Okay, and now we can always paste in the contract address and see if we can find it. But your balance will be the same across all the bots. And next is the export private key option. And you can export your private key if you want to have a copy of your BonkBot wallet in an external wallet, such as a Phantom wallet or any external wallet. So all you have to do is just hit export key and confirm. So now you can copy this private key and go over to your external wallet and paste it in there. You can add it in there so you can have a copy of your external wallet. And the next one is the reset wallet. This is if you want a new wallet, it will completely forget this one and gives you a newer wallet address. So if you are doing this, be careful because you might lose your funds. So you have to export your private key to another wallet before you reset this one.
And the next thing that I want to show you is how to adjust your settings before you execute a trade.
As you've seen it already, we interact with the bot through text. So if I want the setting menu, I'll just do / settings and hit send, and it will give me all the setting options right here. And if you scroll up, it explains what each setting is for. So before we enter a trade, I'll configure the settings. So here's the language. You can toggle, and here is the minimum position value. This is if you want to hide coins under a certain threshold, and it is set at 0.001, so we'll just leave it at that. And here is the auto buy. So auto buy is when you want to immediately buy the coin after you paste the contract address. So I'll show you how it works. Now it is disabled. So if we paste in a contract address, so you come over here and if you just paste the contract address, it will give you all the coin information. But if you enable this one and if you paste the contract address, it will literally execute the trade. So you have to be careful, and if you turn it on, make sure to turn it back off or to disable it again. Okay, the next configuration is the buy buttons configuration. So this setting, you can preset a buy amount for the left and for the right, and that way you'll be quick. For example, if you just click on it, and you'll get a prompt to enter an amount for the left button, and I can just do 0.3 and send. Now my left button is set to 0.3 SOL and the right is at 5 SOL. So when I want to buy, I can immediately hit one of these buttons. That way I'll be quicker. I don't have to manually insert the amount when I'm about to buy it because I already have a preset amount. And the next one is for the sell configuration. So the next one is for the sell setting, and it's the same thing at the buy buttons. You have the left one and the right button, and you can set the percentage of your choice. And when you are ready to sell,
you can hit any one of the buttons.
And the next setting is the slippage. So this is the amount of price divergence you are willing to tolerate when you enter a trade. So I leave it at 10. You can do it at 5% if you want to. It's up to you. Okay, the next one is the price impact. Okay, price impact is the effect that your trade has on the market price. And the next one is the MEV protect. This setting protects you from front runners. If you have it on secure, it will be more secure but slower. But if you have it on turbo, it is a little bit faster than the secure one, and at the same time, it's less secure. Okay, here is the transaction priority. This is like a bribe that you pay for the bot to prioritize your transactions, and you can choose from this button here. It's right now it's on very high. It's medium now, so for medium it's 0.015 sol, and the higher the priority, the higher you pay, and also you can enter a custom amount for the priority. So if you have this enabled, when you hit sell, it asks you for another confirmation before it executes the trade. So it's always safer to have this enabled. Okay, now we have configured our settings. Let's buy a coin. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the contract address for the coin. Okay, it gives me some information that I need to know before I execute the trade. And also, if I want more information, I can choose any one of these: Bird Eye, Explorer, or Scan. And if I can also have three options to buy. And these ones are the ones that we set up in the setting, the left and the right buy buttons. And this one is if I want to manually insert the amount that I want to buy. So we'll just go with the buttons because it's faster. So I'll just choose the left button and I'll buy 0.3 sol. Okay, so now I've bought the coin. It's called Billy. It shows me all the information here, my profit, the dollar value and the Solana value, the market cap, and everything that I need to know about my position. And if I want to sell, I also have three options. If you remember, we set up the left and the right buttons, and we also have an X%. So we can insert an X amount or an X% that we want to sell. And I'll just sell all of my positions, so I'll hit the right button, which is 100%. And it asks me to confirm. Okay, I'm going to confirm. Okay, so I have successfully sold my position. So this is how you configure your settings and execute a trade. So that's all for today. I hope you found the tutorial valuable. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification on. And I wish you a wonderful day.